Hey, I'm about to share with you a really fast way to find great tags for your videos. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. In this video, I want to share a really cool tip with you. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you actually where I got this tip from. All right. So when it comes to YouTube, YouTube crazy, but everybody, is constantly trying to figure out how to get more views, how to get more subscribers. And one of the important factors is having relevant, really good tags as part, of your video upload. And they're not as important as they used to be, say, a few years ago. But here's the reason why I think you still need good tags. A, they're still useful. And B, you never know when YouTube is going to change their algorithm again. And next thing you know, relevant tags would be like the #1 factor in ranking your videos. So you should really have good tags to your videos. And you want to have, in my opinion, from everywhere I see, you want to have a lot of tags, but you want to make sure all your tags are relevant. So a cool site that you can use to find relevant tags that go to your video is a site called Rapid Tags. All right, rapidtags.io. This site is dope. Like it's all you got to do is put in the title of your video, whatever it is. So if you're doing how to train your dog in 24 hours, right? Say that's the title of your video. All you do is take that title, put it over on Rapid Tags, put it in a little search bar, hit enter, and you're going to get like a lot of relevant keywords that will work great on YouTube. That's what they're for, right? I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I'm like, wow, it's just easy. Now, when you do this, you will get a lot of tags, right? You don't have to use all of them. You can actually pick and choose the ones that you really, feel would benefit your video. Or you can literally just hit the copy button, click on copy, go over to your video upload right when when you put your tags at, and just paste all them tags, and you're good to go. And I have noticed since using this site, pretty much when you put a title in, all of the tags are pretty good tags, right? So it really saves a lot of time, when it comes to coming up with tags, because a lot of times people just sit there and they try to figure out what's the best tags, and they just waste time. All right. So anyway, guys, Rapid Tags is really cool. And I got this tip from my bonus training that I got with the Builderall affiliate program that I talk about all the time. So I put a couple videos ago talking about Builderall, becoming an affiliate, and the training you get, which is really good training if you're trying to promote Builderall or any affiliate program product that you want to promote on YouTube. They got a really good training section on YouTube, and this is where I got this information. So if you want to check out Builderall, become an affiliate, join under me and get elite affiliate marketing training, you already know, link in the description of this video. I also will put a link to Rapid Tags so you could check that out and start using it today. It's that simple, guys. So if you have any questions about Builderall, join in, become an affiliate, how to start making money, like I said, check out the website, or you can actually give me a call or text because my number is in the description. All right. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want
from wherever you want, would you? And the third question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.